not sure like if the push notification will come or not, but still I will try. So like I have created a rule where every time the Ethereum value increases above or greater than above $1,500, it will push a notification to my mobile phone. So it seems pretty easy, but underneath we are using Chainlink Runtime environment. We are making external API calls, and we are reading the state on the blockchain, and also we are making a like push notification. Yeah, so underneath a lot of things are going. So I will just demonstrate like what is happening. Hopefully I get a notification. I'm not sure. Yeah, I got a notification. I got it. ETH is now 2062 dollars, and the alert target is greater than 1,500. So you can find over here. Hopefully this maybe I can switch the camera. You can see over here. So yeah, I think this is working. So also this project involves X402 payment systems. So once you pay the payment system, it gets back the payload. So this payload should be passed to a trigger, HTTP trigger, which registers the rules on the blockchain, and then again we have to trigger the cron triggers, like every hour you have to run this task. So this time it's going to get the price feed by reading the blockchain using Chainlink price feeds. Once after it got the price of Ethereum, BTC, and whatever the cryptocurrency it is needed, it checks whether the condition matches by calling the rule that's been already registered on the blockchain. So if you want, I can also show you so this is a smart contract. So this should inherit the template, receiver template. This has a function called write rule. So this is being triggered by the HTTP payload trigger, and the second time when we are running the Chrome trigger, this reads the get all rule, and then if the price matches these conditions, then it's going to push a notification to my mobile. So that's how the system works. Pretty complicated system, but at the end of the day, like we can make it much more easier, like just by calling or creating an MCP server, like but CRE acts as an orchestration layer. Like you can there are three capabilities, like you can make an external API calls, read and write calls, post and get API calls, and also you can read the state from the blockchain, write to the state on the blockchain. And also there are triggers. There are three types of triggers. One is the HTTP trigger, which we have used, and then Chrome trigger, like every certain time period invoke this function or invokes this workflow. And finally the log trigger, which we have not used. So by the name you could guess, so when you're making a transaction, a function call, so once the transaction has successfully gone through, the function will immediately event. On emitting the event, the log, this trigger will be invoked. Right now we are just making use of the HTTP trigger as well as the Chrome trigger. I hope this is clear. I got a notification stating like the Ethereum price is around 2000, which passes the condition, which is like the current amount should be greater than $1,500. So this is just a simple implementation. So with this you can make a lot of things. Right now this has been done in TypeScript and SDK. Chainlink also provides SDK in Go, so if you want to take a look at it. So thank you for watching. Thank you.